The 1% rule in real estate investing is a guideline that measures the price of an investment property against the gross income it will generate. For a potential investment to pass the 1% rule, its monthly rent must be equal to or less than 1% of the purchase price. The 1% rule can be helpful in finding the right property to achieve your investment goals. You just use it to quickly determine how the property will cash flow, or if the property is currently unoccupied, you can use the rule to help set monthly rent charges as well. How to calculate the 1% rule? The 1% rule calculation is rather simple. To find out if an investment property meets the 1% rule, just divide the monthly rent by the purchase price. So the formula is monthly rent divided by the purchase price equals X%. For example, let's say you find a property that you think is a really good deal. It's priced at 200 grand, and the current owner is charging 1,500 in rent each month to the tenants in the building. To see if this property meets the 1% rule, you would just divide the monthly rent, so 1,500 by the purchase price, which is 200 grand. 1,500 by 200,000 equals 0.75%. Since the result is less than 1%, the property does not meet the 1% rule and is therefore not a good investment according to this guideline. However, there are always exceptions to this rule. It's by no means hard and fast. In general, though, if the property does not meet that 1% standard, it may be a red flag that something isn't quite right, and you should either investigate further or keep looking. So here are some circumstances when the 1% rule may not be the best guide to find a profitable investment property for your business. Number 1, appreciation. If you buy a property in an area that is experiencing rather high appreciation, the 1% rule may not apply. Number 2, short-term rentals. The 1% rule typically is used in long-term rentals only, but it can also be applied to short-term rentals if you tweak the formula a little bit. Therefore, you would need to calculate the monthly rent as if the property were rented out consistently all 12 months of the year. Maybe we'll make a full video on this next week, so stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. And number 3, high-priced properties. In some cases, a property may be priced too high that it's impossible to meet the 1% rule. If you're looking at a property that costs $10 million, you would need to charge 100 grand in rent each month to meet that 1% rule. And while that would be great, it's not exactly realistic, even for the most luxurious of properties. So in conclusion, the 1% rule is a helpful guideline for investment properties, but it's not the only factor to consider. When deciding whether or not to buy an investment property, be sure to do your own research and weigh all the factors that are involved. So I really hope this helped you. At Mashvisor, we help beginner and seasoned investors find the best areas for traditional and short-term rentals, and naturally all listings come with analysis to help you make the best choice for your business. So check us out. It's mashvisor.com, and you can get a free 7-day trial by using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Michael. Find me on Instagram. It's Michael Talks Real Estate. And I'll see you very soon.